Welcome to Courtwire, your daily dose of real courtroom drama, shocking verdicts, and justice. Hit subscribe.
Okay, you're Joey Childress? Yes. Okay, and 25 CR 314, you heard all that. You've got an unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon charge here. Yes. That's what you're charged with on or about December 6th.
Let's pause here. December 6th, unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. It's a third-degree felony. That means this isn't it, just a slap on the wrist. Texas law takes gun possession by felons extremely seriously. The stakes, up to 10 years locked up, and we are just getting started.
Last year, and a third-degree felony, if convicted, that's what this is, a third-degree felony. You are looking at no less than 2 nor more than 10 years confinement in prison and a fine up to $10,000 to be assessed. Do you understand? Yes. But paragraph 2 states in 2012, in this court, you were convicted of injury to a child. So this third-degree felony, if this prior conviction is true, if you're convicted of a third-degree felony of this unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, it becomes a second.
Did you catch that? Because of a prior conviction injury to a child, the punishment level jumps. This is called enhancement, and it can turn a third degree into a second-degree felony. Basically, his past is dragging his sentence range from 2 to 10 years all the way up to 2 to 20 years. The courtroom math just got darker.
Second-degree felony punishment, it gets what we call enhanced. Because like I told the gentleman before, your criminal law and dispositions, the way people resolve cases in criminal cases, they're based upon 2 factors: the circumstances of the crime and criminal history. So you would be looking at no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison if convicted of all of this. Do you understand? Yes. So it's serious. Mr. Deuster, have you had a chance to talk to him at all? Yeah, we spoke this morning. A little bit. All right. For Mr. Anderson, as well as Mr. Childress here, if you want a jury trial, which you have a right to, if you're convicted, you are not eligible for probation in front of a...
No probation if he's convicted at trial. That's a legal brick wall. The jury cannot show mercy here, Yvonne, if they wanted to. This is why so many defendants end up taking plea deals. It's not about guilt. It's about options or the lack of them.
Jury. That would not be an option. It would be, if you were convicted, it'd be just flat time in prison. Yeah. Have you not seen his probable cause? Yeah. Okay. You saw the bottom of it about the synthetic marijuana? Yes. In his statement he makes. All right. Have a seat, sir, and Mr. Deucer is going to be talking to you. Come on up. You're clear. Did you get a resetting?
Not yet.
You need to get a resetting.
And Judge, that's going to go on trial docket, and he's asking not to be relieved.
Well, all right. He's not eligible for probation.
Yes,
Sorry. What was the offer on?
12 years.
All right. You understand, sir? You're looking at up to 20 years in prison on this. Yeah.
And now comes the crunch. 12 years on the table, but it's deal or no deal time. Today's the deadline. If he walks past this offer, the judge is making it clear we are going to trial, and that 20-year max will be staring him right in the face.
Understand? Okay. All right. We're going to set it for a trial. That's what you want. There are no deals. Today's the day. That's it. We're going to move forward. We're going to move forward, and we're going to set it for trial. And I'm not accepting that this is the time to negotiate the deal. So you pass that one. So Mr. Deucer, he's a fine lawyer. He can try it. It'd probably get to trial quicker if you agree to release him. The next person on the trial docket wheel would be representing you. Is that what you want? That's the way it would go faster. If you wanted to get to trial quicker, then I find good cause to relieve Mr. Deucer, and the next person on the trial docket wheel, who are all qualified lawyers, will handle the case. And we're going to note this. This was the time to Hold on for just a second. You are charged, ma'am, in two cases, 19-32373 and 32374. These two indictments. Good Lord, ranked it up in 2019.
Yes, sir.
Wow. That's 6 years ago. Have you?
This is where things get slippery. She says she stayed in Houston, but these charges stem from Jefferson County, and prosecutors do not care where you were, they care where the crime happened. In this timeline, it's about to cause some serious confusion.
Been living in the same place for the last 6 years? Yeah. Okay. Well, 2 million people. It's hard to find somebody if we don't know where you are. It's when you're in with 2 million people.
I was arrested for this in 2016, so I didn't actually know about the indictment.
No. You were arrested for this when?
In 2016.
No, you weren't. This says you committed this offense on May 25th, 2019.
Well, sir, I was indicted.
This, ma'am, the indictment from the grand jury states this happened on or about May 25th, 2019. You can shake your head all day long, but it's not a debate. That's what the grand jury. I'm looking at the probable cause affidavit as well. This states on 5/25/2019. This is signed by the police officer who did this and sworn to on May 29th, 2019. Oh, there's nothing. You're wrong.
She was arrested for this type of offense in September 2016 for a separate charge at a Harris County judge.
Okay. This has nothing to do with Harris County. This has everything to do with Houston Avenue in Port Arthur on 2019. And this is two cases here charging you with the second-degree felonies of assault on a peace officer. In each of these cases, alleged to have occurred on or about May 25th, 2019, in Jefferson County, Texas. It is alleged you bit the officers in each case, which wasn't a wise thing.
Did you just do the math? 2 charges, each with up to 20 years. That's potentially 40 years in prison. And the allegation, biting 2 peace officers. That's not just a felony offense on law enforcement. The court does not take kindly to that kind of bite.
If that was true. So in each of these cases, if convicted, you are looking at no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison and a